Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hey everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to episode 799 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, Mawson has reported its 2021 financial results. Cypherpunk is investing in a Lucy Labs crypto fund, and Grayscale Investments has announced a smart contract platform fund. Just before we get into the news, though, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, along with many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. All right, so Mawson Infrastructure Group, Inc., which trades on the NYSE under the ticker MIGI, has posted its financial results for the fourth quarter and full year ended December 31st, 2021. Highlights include a Q4 revenue of $19.6 million, a full-year record revenue of $43.9 million, and the addition of 33,000 new ASIC Bitcoin miners, making for a fleet total of over 40,000 as of December 31st last year. The company's founder and CEO James Manning said, quote, "The fiscal year 2021 was a transformational year for our business. We significantly increased our Bitcoin self-mining operational footprint, producing a record 808 Bitcoins, increased revenue 886% to $43.9 million, increased our gross profit 2,526% to $34 million, and posted a record $17.9 million of non-GAAP EBITDA. We also successfully launched our Luna Squares hosting co-location business, signed a new large-scale facility in Midland, Pennsylvania, and materially expanded the size of our Sandersville, Georgia Bitcoin mining facility. We also launched our first Australian facility in 2021, as well as listing on the NASDAQ late in Q3. End quote. Cypherpunk Holdings, Inc., which trades on the CSE under the ticker HODL, has announced an investment of $500,000 USD in cryptocurrency arbitrage fund Lucy Labs flagship offshore fund SPC managed by Lucy Labs GP LLC. Cypherpunk CEO Jeff Gao explained, quote, "Passive storage of crypto is fast becoming a thing of the past. Those investors who continue to seek exposure to Bitcoin via proxies have a plethora of ETFs and listed names to choose from. That is not what Cypherpunk is about. We offer our investors the opportunity to benefit from crypto from the lens of prudent risk management. The essence of our risk management framework is expressed through our OTC operations, as well as through the performance of our strategic partners. We saw in Lucy Labs a product that provided a low volatility income stream and whose performance was largely uncorrelated with our other strategies. Their onboarding comes off the tail of an extensive due diligence process that began in Q3 2021. End quote. Digital currency asset manager Grayscale Investments has announced the launch of Grayscale smart contract platform X Ethereum Fund, or GSCPXE, aimed at providing investors with exposure to a selection of industry-leading smart contract platforms through a market capitalization weighted portfolio designed to track the CoinDesk smart contract platform SelectX Ethereum Index. Grayscale's CEO Michael Sonnenschein said, quote, "Investor demand for diversified exposure has grown in parallel to the ongoing evolution of the crypto ecosystem. Smart contract technology is critical to the growth of the digital economy, but it's still too early to know what platform will win, from attracting and retaining the most vibrant developer communities to ensuring the platform is high-speed, flexible, and scalable. The beauty of GSCPXE is that investors do not have to choose one winner and instead can access the development of the smart contract platform ecosystem through a singular investment vehicle." End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website, and this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available.